right, now welcome back. Now, how many of you, when you see your celebrity, maybe for outside, and then you don't even care the person when you stand with him, you just go push the person aside? You just like recently we do football. This one is different in a way, and then one of us just called me, say, please come and talk to this girl. She's asking about something. And the girl just looked at me and say, I don't talk to young girls.
Oh wow.
I don't understand.
Sorry, explain the story. Okay, first of all, read this one first, then you explain that one. Because I really need to understand what you just talk.
All right. So now, singer Dare Atala, they don't come outside talk. Waiting one female fan do and in wife, when the female fan the one actually take picture. Now, according to for instance, one recent interview we do, he talks, I remember one day when a young lady be want take picture with me, and I was walking with my wife. You know, when event just finish, you just imagine many people walking up to you in different directions and trying to take pictures with you. Then somebody just called me, Dare, I want to take a picture with you. The next thing when the person do be say, she pushed my wife come out from the way, and she not even send anybody at that point. The only thing where she take concerned about now to take picture with me. He said, my wife, on the other hand, understand. So she just go
You see, very quiet wife.
She not even care. Now waiting, Dare actually come aside talk. Now I just want to ask you, considering waiting they happen, what would be the most embarrassing moment where you don't get with anybody, either a fan or anybody, and then maybe the thing will happen to you, you'll be there with person, and
first talk that one when you first tell us. First talk
explain that one first. Not of the story. Explain
maybe
that one.
it just be like say you and a guy sit down now and I talk about why do women like braids and something like that, and then the guy they actually make his own point, you they make your own point, and then the guy go talk say okay let me just call another girl and ask the girl now what thing happen.
The person a celeb or.
The girl not be even celeb, not a person where
but the guy not celeb.
But the guy not celeb, one of our own money here.
Yeah.
So now he just call me say, hey, we please come and tell her about this thing about women. And the girl just look me say, excuse me, I don't talk to young girls.
Yeah.
I want an older woman. I just look her.
She forgive her back.
No, now when I come out now, I regret her.
No, you don't come
out. I regret her. I say, I'm gonna give that girl word.
Now the quiet type where Amaka they talk, don't come out from
just hold my hand. He just hold my hand.
Say okay.
He just say, oh, really sorry.
Really, sorry.
You just like say, call you to embarrass
You chop sorry. You chop the sorry.
But I enter category pay me.
Okay, the sorry no sweet.
You know why they say God not Christian? Because all these kind of things no fit happen to me.
Oh wow. Tacha.
I'm answer how
You don't say me and the guy ready made answer.
You know that for pause.
He dey tongue, you know the truth. He dey tongue as in he dey ready to.
Yeah, come outside.
You rush talk this. I just imagine say the same that she happen this thing happen to.
The girl,
wait now. This Dare own. We happen to.
There will be no picture.
No, not do anything.
I know do anything.
Wait, know me. I know do anything.
No.
I know do anything.
One thing we should not like
you see the next event. We dey go with bouncer.
Yeah, she not do anything at that point.
That particular time, not do anything. No, snap your picture. But say you see the next like people after 9 go suffer.
Oh my God. But seriously, for me, I don't encounter them plenty times. Yeah, but that's why when I see celebrities, even when I know them, I try like to when you feel actually see me before I talk to you. Before somebody goes, leave on now. Now I'll let you know I'm. Leave on. I feel do am, so I dey do am. I say you calm down. Why you dey follow am up and down? So if it don't happen to me too. So me, I know how it feel. So sometimes I just put myself. But the embarrassing moment, like waiting he talk, say the person pushing wife away. The wife understand the business way they do. You understand? So if she give the girl answer that time, it go spoil the market and it go be like. And you know, say in kind of song na love song. Number one. Then number two, even when he even marry himself, he even kill the female fans, the buzz from his body. So now when the woman can react, the way where that girl go social media, go narrate the story.
It go
different. So before him go come see and read them, explain to him what they won't do damage control, the matter don't go far. So what do you do at that point? Just keep quiet and go. Let the quietness come inside. Come out. The inside quiet.
I totally agree with you because this thing remind me of one of our Nigerian artists, Netosi, where he say photographer matching wife clothes where he busy photographer. But funny enough, since that time where he busy photographer now, we not they hear anything about his music again. That now relating to what you don't talk. I don't say Naim cause some more, but I they relate because you need to relate. funny enough, this fans now they make you. So irrespective, no matter what happen, mistakes go always there. Some of them they don't feel control their emotions. To some of them, celebrities are like gods. They don't believe say, oh my God, this person what they see for television. Oh, I eventually see the person for real life. And now the only proof when they get to tell their friends say, true, I miss Daria Talade. I need to snap that picture. Some people now do or die affair. Even if they won't beat me and lie. I go to snap the picture, then go they carry me out like this.
Just like on Sunday.
do selfie, I should do that.
You understand? Even if the person they look, just say even they make people know say
we did together.
I see and we did together.
Yeah.
So like me now, I don't talk and say to say na me be Daria Talade wife.
Yeah.
The next event bouncer go day.
Yeah, but
Because I remember at one point, Wizkid, if you want to take photography, you know if you just walk up to, I don't know if it still be the same. You know if you just walk up to meet Wizkid, you go, the manager no go let you.
Yeah.
As in, manager go look say okay. 4 fans now only 4 we get where one by one, no rush, no.
Let's snap the picture well and
then maybe they go.
You know, sometimes I wonder how celebrity wives, especially the wife will not be celebrity, they actually cope when they go for events.
Vice versa. Vice versa.
But let me tell you something. You the man himself got to differentiate what he wants.
Okay.
You want to make your wife be the red carpet fiasco everywhere where they go. She be like lynch on your body. Then you as the woman, if you say now what you want to do, girls they way they craze past you. They go say, oh really now what you want? All right, let's go. As you sample yourself, they go sample themselves. You shall be behind and they go there front. Because at the end of the day, they don't get anything to lose. Now you go quarrel, go house, frown face. Maybe you cook at the end of the day, no chop am. Because you don't come spoil in mood for there. So what thing you go do? To me, I go say step back a bit, give 2 steps. If na table when they leave them, give them like 3 seats, make it sit down with people, enjoy yourself. Because when we go out, and me and you they go.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, and me and you they go out. So you know go tell me, say, okay, they go out, they follow. We they go together because we come together. Then if you want to sit down for house and face family. No, to me, I just said, but it is very difficult.
And they actually get our cameramen who go tell you, say, sorry, auntie, if you shift.
No, you know, concerning that thing, now where I think say a lot of celebrities need to actually wake up because that thing, I say I'm categorically say they spoil homes, they spoil marriages because you they belittle your partner by so doing.
Now this no be react, but react
the wrong way. But because this time around, not be only about the women, because we get women to be celebs and their husbands not be celebs. One of our colleagues told me recently about say she see one celeb for red carpet, and the person the woman name be celeb, the man no be celeb. So because say she know the woman name, she knows to know the husband name. Then she can say, oh, so we get Mr. and Mrs. Call the woman name without the man name. So immediately she remembers she can't pick and say, oh, this thing what I do, oh I don't actually mess up. Then she can't correct herself again. Say sorry, she cut him. Then she can't take him again. But then the harm done already they done. Yeah. You understand?
If not somebody where they quick to just
apart from say she did quick, if the man and kind person where they react, when they reach us, they don't start to.
Yeah.
Say, because you think you are a star.
No, we need to publicize my name now.
Not people publicize my name. They stop the woman from
she don't go to go
career.
Yes,
you go to reduce because you go say why you want to turn man for inside the family for inside the relationship. So for me, I feel say a lot of celebrities, man or woman, if you not say your partner no be celeb with you, carry your partner along. I don't talk for this show before. You see Oyibo people when they go red carpet, you go here when they done the sideline the partner too much. You go hear somebody will go say, oh, actually that song where I read now my wife actually inspired him. Yes. Wife don't come into the picture.
Yes. Then they'll come interview the wife. Oh, why you pick this color?
You need to carry your partner along.
Yeah,
you need to carry your partner along.
Yeah, very true. I actually go with that line. Carry your partner along.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, from that particular one, let us know your own opinion concerning them. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia or Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. Another thing does see happen again. Fans, they not get chill this period.
No.
As there's nothing like a chill period.
The weather is very hot.
It's the Harmattan season.
I'm telling you.
Fire for fire.
Popular Nigerian singer Timaya, he did grateful to God. Why? Because, you know, they do 9 to 7 job like most people. Now, while millions of people for inside Lagos, they rush to work every morning, Timaya, they day for house, they chill with his friends.
It's in goons.
They do some kind.
Goons to me.
Chilling things.
Now, he can share a picture of himself and his friends, they enjoy themselves, and he can put this caption. I thank God, see, I know they do 9 to 5 job. Chilling with my guys on a Monday morning. He can put bless.
Oh, wow.
As per Nigerians, not get chill. All of them come outside, they attack him.
Oh.
They attack and the ones say they pain, they say that they wake up 5 o'clock in the
5 o'clock.
Like
3 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Say you go there o'clock. I go there road. I go not even know that the doors thing they do me.
My sister, that's not the thing. So you get some kind of times.
People actually feel so bad. Now, most of them actually feel so they mock people where get regular daily jobs. Now, ladies, please, let's be real for once. Anything they bad, waiting to my talk.
You know they bad at all.
It's just like me saying, thank God I don't do bank job.
In a tank himself. In a tank in God.
So those they do back job, waiting and people they don't
But now what they pray for themselves and get? They don't already, oh God, I want to work in this bank because now I be the highest rated bank. Now there I won't work. Meanwhile, somebody they say, God, I don't want work for bank. Somebody tell you, say, no, see the way where some people there where they clean road. Some people they and that cleaning they do them and they satisfy. Like what in Timaya, do not be wrong thing. I appreciate them. If they thank God for waiting he gets. You say thank God for somebody to talk am. Oh, thank God I get 9 to 5 job. Oh, right am.
Simple. You
And
think
tag
anything
and
they
put
wrong?
inside.
Is
Nothing
anything
dey
wrong
wrong,
with it?
serious.
Come on,
I just feel.
Anything they wrong.
Na bad belle.
allowed.
Just that na bad belly. You know, everybody get their own reaction to some kind of things. If you just talk one statement now, you go carry and go another place entirely.
When I say
Wetin I talk now,
laugh.
you know, go just understand. You go say, maybe I just say, maybe you sneeze now. Like this popular one, person sneeze. Bless you. And then person go say, so you cannot bless me. Why are you telling me bless you? You don't turn fight.
You know, it's
Say I
Nigeria
say
need to get cheap. I just remember another one where they attacked Tiwa Savage.
Yeah. So she don't be
She don't be sure her
baby
baby
face.
face.
And then
Imagine,
she
see,
dey
I
try
just
to sample.
Queen Bee.
We go talk about how we'll come back after the break.
And
We go need to pass for a break. Now, when we come back after the break, we get letter from the viewers and we go talk use 1 or 2 minutes talk about those ones. And then we go give you services. So stay with us, don't go anywhere. Thank you.
Why you not do your people?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.